I didn't realize that there's so many tourists coming to the Fürstentum Liechtenstein. That's insane. I traveled to Liechtenstein today. It's just like 60 minutes from my home. And actually here you can get a stamp in your passport for 3 francs. It's approximately like the same, like 3 euros. And you can just go there and ask for the stamp. Because actually to Liechtenstein, you don't really need to cross any borders. There are no borders. You can just drive in. It's a super small country. And yeah, there are no border controls. So you can come in, get your stamp, and it's like a nice souvenir from this place. So let's go. So I just got my passport stamped. It's actually really funny. I'm like 15 minutes away from here. I grew up, but I didn't know that you can get the passport stamp from Liechtenstein. Pretty cool souvenir. I found an astronaut. Apparently they currently have something going on with stamps. I don't know what exactly, but they look pretty nice, like with these beetles, snails. Yeah. There's a fox. I don't know, maybe they're showing like all the stamps they had in this country and the different editions. So, oh, it's my spirit animal. I actually found out what's going on. So they're doing an exhibition of all the stamps Liechtenstein created. So this one is from 2013. And the further you go this way, the older the stamps get. So all the motifs for this little country are collected here and showcased just on the streets of Vaduz. Vaduz is the capital of Liechtenstein. Pretty nice stamps. So it's actually really funny that they have their own stamps for such a small country, right? So in Liechtenstein you will find this name Hilti a lot, and it actually belongs to a really famous and successful family. So I just got up here. I'm on the way to the castle. You can come all the way up here hiking, or you can take the car and go up. But I thought I'm gonna be sporty today. And this is actually, I don't know if you can see it. This is the view from up here. You can see the mountains. On the other side there's Switzerland. Here next, like on the other side, there's the Rhine River. And here's all Liechtenstein. This is Vaduz. This is the capital. And I'm on my way up to the castle. I actually thought you can visit the castle, but you can't. It's private completely. So you just have to close gates. No ticket sale, you can't do anything, but yeah, we're here. This is actually what you see because it's private, so you're gonna stand in front of closed gates. It's private. So I'm here at the Dreiländereck. That means like the 3 country corners that are meeting here. So exactly here, down here, you see the Fürstentum Liechtenstein and Austria. And on the other side there, over the Rhine River, there's Switzerland. And all these corners, they're meeting here. And yeah, there's this funny stone here. And also a very, very old sign that says like, okay, this is the crossing for hikers. And you can just cross with like the papers, with valid papers. Except from that are foreigners that need a visa. And you can't cross with any kind of goods here. And you can only cross from sunrise till sunset. And actually here, I can be at the same time in Austria and in Liechtenstein. I'm gonna show you. So here you see FL is for Fürstentum Liechtenstein and here is an Ö. That means Austria, Österreich. And so when I'm standing here and I'm standing here, I'm in Liechtenstein and I'm in Austria at the same time.